Hello guys, and thank you for watching this video lecture. In this lecture, I want to plot dot plots in Python. I already explained that a dot plot is a simple graphical representation of numerical data using dots. It's like scatter plot. Each dot represents one or more data points plotted along with a single axis. Why do we use dot plots? These are useful for a small data set in which individual values need to be seen clearly. Also, they can highlight patterns such as clustering of values or gaps in data distribution. They can help us to compare two or more data sets by plotting them side by side. And also, in these plots, outliers appear as isolated dots away from the main cluster. These also can provide a quick visual assessment of the data distribution that we have. So, for example, we have this data set and we want to plot them using dot plot. So, these are the two libraries that we need. After importing the required libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib, we can go for data beans. And in here, we say that data bean is equal to NPA range. Then we get minimum of data points, and then we get maximum of data points that we have, and also plus 1 because we want to include the maximum value as well. Then we go for hist and its. Then we go for np.histogram, data and data beans that we have defined. So now we want to plot it, plot.figure, and in here we can say fig size is equal to 20 and 2 because it's like a horizontal plot. 20 and 2 for I in range of the minimum data and also maximum of our data, and then also we say plus 1, right? Plus 1 in order to include the max value as well. So this one, then for j in range of hist, then I minus mean of our data, and then we can go for plot scatter I j plus 1, and color is equal to blue, for example. Then we can go for plt.xtics, and in here we go I for I in range of mean of data and max of our data, then plus 1 and 5. Okay, then we go for plt.xlimit from mean of our data to the max of our data, and then we can plot it. So there is some problem here. The problem is that this invalid syntax, this should be here. Float object cannot be interpreted as integer, so we need to convert them to integer. Then also we need to convert this one to integer as well. Also we need to convert this one as integer, and also this one as integer. Okay, you can see here this is our dot plot. We have outlier here and the most of the data are here. Okay, so the next one is, for example, we want to find out some statistical information about our data that we have. So this is our data that we have. For example, I want to find minimum of data. So minimum of data is this one. The maximum of data is this one. Mean of my data is this one. So in here, I should go for numpy.mean. Numpy.mean is this one. Then, for example, I want to find out the median. So length of my data, how many values I have? 51. So median will be the center one. So numpy.median data. So you can see 38 is the median. Okay. So what mean? As I said, it's the average. This is the sum of all values in a data set divided by the number of values. Then we have median as the middle value. Also, we have something called that trim mean. Okay, so for trim mean, I will show you two ways to do that. One is to do it using a library. So from scipy.stats, we import trim mean. Then here, for example, we say trim mean is equal to trim underscore mean data, and trim mean data and proportion cut is equal to 10%, right? So you can see here, then we can print it. Okay, TM, this one. If you want to remove the number of these many decimal points, so simply you can say print trim mean, so f string, you can say tm, and you can say 2f. Trim mean equals to this one should be out. Okay, so 3.42. Another way to do that is first we need to calculate the trim percentage. So we say trim percentage is equal to 7.7 divided by 100. I already told you how to find 7.7. So then we say that trim count is equal to integer length of data and trim percentage that we have. Then we sort our data. So data is equal to sorted data. We sort our data. Then we can say that trim data equals to data, and in here we go for trim count length data minus trim count. Okay, then we calculate the trim mean. Trim mean is equal to np.mean of trim data, and then we print the tm. So you can see it is the same. This time we say t underscore m. You can see that it is the same, right? So this is how we calculate the trim mean. So in this lecture, we did dot plots in Python and also some simple statistical information that we can extract from our data. Please practice and feel free to ask me if you have any questions. Thank you.